Think you're just tired? What if your brain is screaming for sleep and you're missing the obvious signs that are right in front of you? We all feel groggy sometimes, but if you're an adult juggling work, family, or a student burning the midnight oil, those little slips might be your brain trying to tell you something crucial. Today, we're diving deep into the unmistakable signals your mind sends when it's starved for quality sleep. Ignoring these signs can have bigger consequences than you might think, impacting everything from your memory to your mood. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and why paying attention matters so much. Let's face it, life gets busy, and sleep often feels like the first thing we sacrifice. But your brain isn't just taking a break when you sleep, it's doing some serious heavy lifting. It's repairing, consolidating memories, and even cleaning out waste products. When it doesn't get enough time for this crucial work, you start seeing the cracks. First up, forgetfulness and that annoying brain fog. Ever walk into a room and completely forget why you went there? Or maybe you're struggling to recall simple facts or names that usually come easily. This isn't just getting older or having too much on your plate. During deep sleep, your brain works tirelessly to move information from short-term to long-term memory. Without enough quality sleep, this process breaks down, leaving your memories feeling hazy and your thoughts muddled. It's like trying to run a computer with too many tabs open and not enough RAM. Next, mood swings and irritability. Do you find yourself snapping at loved ones over trivial things or feeling unusually stressed and anxious? Sleep deprivation messes with your emotional control center, the amygdala, making it overactive. This means you react more strongly to negative events and struggle to keep a lid on your emotions. It's why one bad night of sleep can make you feel like the whole world is against you, turning a small annoyance into a massive crisis. Another big one, difficulty focusing and making decisions. Are simple tasks taking longer than they should? Are you staring blankly at your to-do list, unable to prioritize? Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for planning, problem-solving, and decision-making, needs adequate rest to function optimally. When you're sleep-deprived, it's like trying to navigate a complex maze with blurry vision. You make more mistakes and feel overwhelmed. Here's a sign many people overlook: increased cravings for sugary or unhealthy foods. Feeling that undeniable urge for a chocolate bar or a bag of chips, even after a meal? Lack of sleep can throw your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, completely out of whack. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, goes up, while leptin, which signals fullness, goes down. Plus, your tired brain seeks quick energy fixes, often leading you to crave unhealthy carbs and sugars. It's your brain trying to compensate for its exhaustion. You might also notice slower reaction times and feeling clumsier than usual. Are you bumping into things, dropping items, or just feeling generally uncoordinated? Sleep deprivation impairs your motor skills and slows down your reflexes. This is particularly critical for students taking tests or adults driving or operating machinery. Your brain simply can't process information as quickly or efficiently when it's running on empty. Finally, getting sick more often? Constantly battling a cold or the flu? Sleep plays a crucial role in strengthening your immune system. While you sleep, your body produces protective proteins called cytokines that fight infection and inflammation. Without enough sleep, your body makes fewer of these proteins, leaving you vulnerable to illness. It's your brain signaling that it needs time to oversee the body's entire repair crew. The real danger isn't just feeling tired for a day, it's the cumulative effect these seemingly small issues have on your long-term brain health and overall life. Many of us just push through, thinking it's normal, but your brain isn't designed to run on fumes. Continuously ignoring these signs can lead to more serious issues down the road, from increased risk of chronic diseases to struggles with mental health. Your brain, especially as an adult juggling responsibilities or a student under pressure, faces immense demands. It needs its dedicated time to clean house, consolidate information, and recharge. Your brain doesn't just rest during sleep, It actively repairs, reorganizes, and recharges. It's not a luxury, it's a biological necessity, the ultimate brain maintenance program. Every sign we discussed today is a direct warning from your most vital organ. So, if any of these signs sound familiar, it's not just you being off. It's your brain sending a clear signal that it needs more and better quality sleep. Pay attention to it, because a well-slept brain isn't just about feeling good today. It's about safeguarding your mental sharpness and well-being for years to come. Want to discover how to actually get better sleep? Click on this video right here for actionable tips. Thank you for watching.